Pritam, क्या हुआ अभी?
Yeah, we are going
What
to
happened?
London.
What happened with us?
Yeah, instead of paying for extra piece, they paid for extra weight.
See this guy, what he's doing, man. See, you are traveling, huh?
Yeah, I'm traveling.
Where? हाय गाइस, सो आज मैं रेडी हो गया हूँ. रेडी होने के बाद मैं जा रहा हूँ कहीं पे बाहर. आप देख सकते हो मेरा सामान पूरा पैक हो गया है. और स्टे ट्यून विद द वीडियो. आई विल शो यू और आई विल टेल यू मैं कहाँ पे जा रहा हूँ और क्यों जा रहा हूँ, सारी चीज़ें. सो अब मैं भी ब्लॉग बनाऊँगा नेक्स्ट मेरी जर्नी के फ्रॉम हियर टू वेर एवर आई एम गोइंग. ओके, सो बाय. सी प्रीतम, क्या हुआ अभी?
Yeah, we are going
What
to
happened?
London.
What happened with us?
Yeah, instead of paying for extra piece, they paid for extra weight. So we are waiting now.
Kind of waiting here with our luggages.
So see, guys, this kind of issues will happen if we are not be careful. So with our case, right, it's happened. It's not by our mistake. So basically, we have not done any booking from our end. And so जो कुछ भी हुआ है वो हमारा जो ट्रैवल है उनकी वजह से हुआ है. सो इतना हमको कुछ इशू नहीं है. मैंने उनको कॉल कर दिया है. सो they'll fix it out. They'll pay and then we'll do the baggage check-in and we'll update soon. So see guys, issue got resolved. So my office travel team paid the things and then our baggage is done. And now we are about to go inside. So stay tuned. We'll see you. Bye bye.
Food, flight.
Bar.
Which food?
Flight food, bro.
Light food. For you, it's non-veg.
Uh-huh.
For her, it's veg.
Uh-huh.
For me, it's veg.
Yeah, actually, now we were thinking we should not eat now. Kartika Masa, no?
Hmm.
But my mom was like, eat, at least now eat.
See, she want non-veg food.
No, I'm vegetarian. I looks
Pritam?
like vegetarian. Sure, no? I looks like vegetarian.
She is pure non-vegetarian,
So we need
pure
to do this-
100% non-vegetarian. This guy, you can see this guy
Yeah.
looking
Pure
like
vegetarian.
pure non-vegetarian, but he's pure vegetarian. That's the difference.
Yeah.
No problem, guys. Carry on with us. So now we reached to near gate. But why we came here? That's the problem.
Yeah, we are in the
We are
right
too
place.
early and we came to here. We are searching for the food. हम देखते हैं कुछ खाना मिल जाए.
Here it is. Here it is.
सो हम कुछ खाने का देखते हैं. अभी पहले खाना वाना कुछ खाएंगे, थोड़ा बहुत तो पेट में जाना चाहिए ना. भूख लगी है. विल सी. चलो विल गो. बिफोर रीचिंग द डेस्टिनेशन ये लोग क्या डिस्कशन कर रहे थे? Where we
We'll
have
go
to
to Scotland.
स्कॉटलैंड. अभी तो इंडिया में है और अभी से सोच लिया स्कॉटलैंड जाएंगे. दे डोंट नो कि वहाँ पे ऑफिस के काम से टाइम मिलेगा या नहीं. बट नाउ दे हैव डिसाइडेड
to
दे विल
enjoy.
गो
Yeah.
or they'll enjoy. Okay, I too enjoy for sure.
Yeah.
And this guy,
At the same time,
he is
we work also.
the sponsor. You are the sponsor, right?
Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah, I'll
See,
sponsor.
you are in video, okay? So you can
Sure.
don't lie,
Yeah,
basically.
definitely I'll sponsor. Just give me your card also. I'll sponsor.
See, how come man with my card you will sponsor? That is, see this fellow. You will sponsor, right?
Yeah, I'll sponsor.
confess that?
Yeah, I'll sponsor.
Okay. With your money?
Yeah, with my money.
Okay. Then this
One
is...
tea.
Okay, fee. See, these guys are went inside like Jomi Olive Paparazzi to check the pizza price. See, the lazy guys like Pritam, they don't really want to walk. इसको चलना नहीं है देखो. सिंपल चल सकता है ना इतना तो, ला इतना बड़ा बॉडी बना के. सी सी दिस गाय. अभी ये दिखाएगा कि उसको चलना पसंद है, बट नहीं. सी कितना. हाँ. So Harshita, what is your thought?
What is
हाँ.
technology?
Technology is fine, but tell me one thing. Means how do you feel? Is it now you are feeling okay, right? Means
Yes, 100% all.
कि you are sure that you are traveling.
Yes, I'm traveling.
See this guy, what he's doing, man. See, you are traveling. Huh?
Yeah, I'm traveling.
Where?
London.
London. Why?
Why?
Why you want
Why?
to go there?
Why I want to go there?
Tell me. For meetings, huh?
Yeah, for
Meetings. Meetings
For
and
business meeting.
meetings and discussions. Okay, just remember these things, huh?
Yeah.
Meetings and discussions. See guys, this is the Bangalore airport runway. Your flight is there. Indigo. See how big is it? कितना बड़ा है. Pritam, hey Pritam, I have one question for you.
Yeah.
अरे यार काला काला दिख रहा है. Okay. Just how you feel after eating the free food from Harshita's free food.
Hey Pragnesh, how do you feel after eating free food?
Hey, not me. You
From
only,
Pragnesh.
bro. After eating Harshita's free food, he'll be happy. He has everything, but he put all the things in his bag.
I'm out of context now.
No.
This lady now paid up with us. She told actually,
What?
I don't want to travel with you guys.
She is telling that I bought snacks for 1 week and you guys are
Finished
eating it within a day. What is this?
So stay tuned, guys. Again, you will see this kind of funny video from inside the even flight. So bane rehna.
Please like, share and subscribe to
No, okay.
Princess Prachi channel.
I'll show you.
So boarding is done और हम जा रहे हैं हम फ्लाइट में बैठने के लिए. So
Meet you guys in the flight. Bye bye.
Like and see.
seriously, see Pritam is too fast. You'll tell something in Kannada.
Yeah.
We'll
Like
meet.
and see gana.
ओके चलो बाय. सो अब हम फ्लाइट में पहुंचने वाले हैं. See guys, Air India. What are the things they are providing?
So
One pillow. This is some cloth.
Sure.
And one
Earphone.
reusable earphone.
Reusable.
Yeah.
Wow, great. So we can take it at home.
Yeah, we can.
Pritam, what about you, man?
Yeah. You can take it.
I'll take it to home for sure.
Sure, huh?
Well, I know you will not take it.
No, man, I will not.
Because you have the AirPods now.
Right. this bakwas earphone. I will not take even at home. Useless. प्रीतम इज ऑन फायर. फिर हेरा फिर मूवी देख रहा था, अभी चेंज किया उसने. देखेंगे गेम्स. कंटेंट नॉट अवेलेबल. म्यूजिक. We'll have some drink. Pritam, what drink you will have?
Tropicana, real orange.
Yours?
Coke.
And mine is water. So we'll have. Pritam was saying something. Pritam, is it really Tropicana or something else?
No, it is just Tropicana. So please don't mind me doing cheers.
Cheers, guys. Cheers. Okay, yeah, guys, we are enjoying then. Bye bye. Now we'll have the food. She ordered butter chicken. You ordered paneer, butter paneer.
Yeah.
With
Dal.
दाल मखनी. Okay, and मैंने भी same butter chicken order किया है. So we'll have the fun. You can see. I will show you.
So now you guys know who are veg and who are not veg.
Everyone knows.
You can cut that part off.
See, they have provided. या सो ये पूरा प्रोवाइड करते हैं कटनी. सो स्पून और वो सारी चीज़ होगी. एक बटर है अमूल का. एंड आफ्टर मीट खाने के बाद खाने के लिए कर्ड है, बन है और कुछ या वो भी स्वीट है, डेजर्ट. और हियर विल सी इट्स टू हॉट बेसिकली. विल सी इट्स नॉन वेज एंड it's non-veg meal. So we'll enjoy our food there. Every night?
We'll watch movie with the drinks.
Drinks in a sense, soft drinks.
Soft drinks.
don't
You have to
take
clarify, man.
We don't have that habit.
Yes. We are good people.
We
not
don't
like
have
that.
One will have, man. I too don't have. I mean, see here, na.
Not recorded.
I don't.
So खाना हो गया ख़त्म. अब हम सो जाएंगे थोड़ी देर के लिए क्योंकि बहुत टाइम है अभी और एक ऑलमोस्ट 7-8 आवर्स. सो अभी और सो जाएंगे. चलो गाइस, जगने के बाद मिलते हैं. See, now we are playing Ludo. At last I will show you who will be here. Oppa, what is this? Ashita? I will kill you, man. She will be happy now. Very serious.
You want to? You have not even taken single.
I will do. I will do the single thing. See, now it's my turn.
Yeah.
See, come. Now I will be with much concentration, and I will at the end of this game. I will tell you the results. What's the result is? Okay. Stay tuned. See, guys, we have the clear results now. So the winner is this guy.
Congratulations.
And I'm the second one. And as they have made the team up, these two guys, right? They were playing with a team because this guy were like not killing her. But still, somehow I managed. I have the second place. You can see here. See, the second one. This is mine. This is Pritam. This is Harshita. Loser. See, loser. So yeah, there are two winners, one loser. So I will tell you who is the winner. So the winner is this guy,
Yeah, it's me.
and second winner, I'm the one, and the third one is kind of not winner. It's a loser, and the loser is here. Yeah, she's the loser. So the thing is, what happened? These two guys, right? These two guys, they were playing in a teams. Okay, it was not team game, but they were playing in a, this guy was not killing her.
One chance I missed.
No.
Pragnesh,
One
you didn't
chance.
cheat.
No. These guys were cheating.
I
This
played
guy
in a
especially.
honest way. I played in a
Cheater.
honest way.
Cheater.
I played in a honest way.
Okay. So stay tuned. ऐसा कॉमेडी चीज़ें आती रहेगी और एक 4 घंटे में या 5 घंटा मैक्सिमम विल रीच देयर एट द डेस्टिनेशन एंड आई विल टेल यू वेयर आई एम गोइंग ओके एट दैट लोकेशन वेयर आई विल रीच चलो व्हाट हैपेंड प्रीतम
See, they all wait this much. I'm still here at my home.
सी देयर इज अ मैजिc
I think I will lose this game.
we are kind of halfway and अभी प्रीतम के पूरे सारे देखो यहाँ पे just now I have done this magic. How it's feel? How are you feel?
Feeling
Partner
so much happy.
Pritam's partner.
Inexpressible.
Losing and winning is a part of life.
It happens.
No. See, losing and winning is a part of game, but it's for saying, right?
Yeah.
But you are feeling bad.
Huh?
You are feeling bad.
No. Why should I? Just
You have hope.
I will win.
Want tissue like you.
Fine. After this
okay,
end, we will let you know the review. Then you guys will know
Okay.
who won the match.
So guys, just let us know, okay? Let us know in comment. So ये गेम कौन जीतेगा अभी देखना. Almost we are on the middle. So me and Harshita were on track, but प्रीतम के सारे जितना भी है ना क्या बोलते हैं उसको घोड़ा, राइट? सारे के सारे मैंने मार के अंदर पूरे उसके घर में डाल दिए. So we'll see now क्या होता है.
Yeah.
See, these two are still playing. And Pratnesh, I am the winner. See the situation, Pritam situation. She need only one. Harshita need one. She need. Opa. How are you feeling, madam? Now you are at second place.
I'm the loser. And Pragnesh is the winner.
Pragnesh is the winner, man. Pragnesh, you know Pragnesh, right? Pragnesh, right? He's the
Last game you lost. This game you
No. This is the first game. This is the first and last game where I won the game. Okay, I'm always the winner. Once a winner, always a winner. Okay, loser. Pritam KR.
Very bad, Pritam.
It's okay. Fine.
Hey, don't cry. Don't cry. Okay.
Yeah.
It will win. One day will win. Hey guys, we got the evening snacks. What is there in the evening snacks? क्या है भाई? छोले. Okay.
Samosa is very big.
Very big.
How big it is.
Hey man, your hand is too big.
But it's good.
Any review from your end? कैसा? Thank you. These guys are enjoying. I will also enjoy. And see you. See guys. So the snacks. आपने देखा कि समोसा विथ छोले राइट, ऐसा कॉम्बिनेशन आपने देखा है तो प्लीज़ डू कमेंट. मेरे को नहीं पता ऐसा कैसा कॉम्बिनेशन है ये. इट्स अच्छा. चलो गुड डे. सो फाइनली वी अराइव्ड एट द डेस्टिनेशन. सो आपको दिख रहा है तो बताइए मैं कहाँ पे पहुँच गया हूँ. Finally, we reached the destination. What is the destination? Heathrow Airport.
Terminal 2.
Now we'll go for the immigration and all those. We'll see you later. So guys, we have done with the immigration and we all have our baggage with us. So अब हम थोड़ी देर में हम चेक इन करेंगे होटल में. So stay tuned. We'll see outsider. My nephew is there and Ajay came outside. So we'll meet them. Yeah. Thank you. Anything you want to tell, man? How much time you have wait?
I thought you were taking a picture.
No. We'll not take. We'll have one big, very good vlog. Am I right, Pritam? Yeah.
That's right.
Tell, man. It will be good.
Don't go. Maybe 1.5 hours.
Yeah. Thanks a lot, Pritam. Ajay. Thank you, Ajay. See now who is there with me? Chanyu maro chokro. Thank you for being here. Chalo, apne jaiye ho. Bye bye. And please do like, share, subscribe.
Yes.
See you in the next part.
See you.
Bye bye. Hey, you guys want to say see you? Bye. This is finished here. See, this guy will always.
Bye. Bye, guys. See you.
See you next
Like, share, and subscribe.
Ajay, you want to say something?
Bye.
Bye bye. Chalo.